ICAB certificate level, information technology, MCQ practice 11 to 20. MCQ 11. Programming language of first generation computer was high level language or machine language. Which one is correct? Correct answer is B. Programming language of first generation computer was machine language. MCQ number 12. ENIAC was first generation computer or second generation computer. Which one is correct answer? ENIAC was first generation computer. MCQ 13. Machine language or assembly language is a type of low-level programming language that is intended to communicate directly with the computer's hardware. Or B. High-level language. Which one is correct answer? Number A is the correct answer. Machine language or assembly language is a type of low-level programming language that is intended to communicate directly with the computer's hardware. It is not high-level language. MCQ 14. One of the main improvements of computer history in second-generation computer was uses of magnetic tape as storage device, or uses of transistors replacing vacuum tube as main component. Which one is the correct answer? Correct answer is B. One of the main improvements of computer history in second generation computer was uses of transistors replacing vacuum tubes as main component. Next question, MCQ 15. Second generation computer was A. Smaller than first generation computer in size, B. More power consuming compared with first generation computer. Which one is correct? Correct answer is A. Second generation computer was smaller than first generation computer in size. MCQ 16. Following which group of computers is the example of second generation computer? A. IBM 650, IBM 701, ENIAC, UNIVAC 1, etc. B. PDP 8, IBM 1400 series, IBM 7090 and 7094, UNIVAC 1107, CDC 3600. Which one is correct answer? Correct answer is B. Next question, MCQ 17. Magnetic tape or disk was input-output device of second generation computer or main electronic component of second generation computer. Which one is correct answer? Correct answer is A. Magnetic tape or disk was input-output device of second generation computer. Next, MCQ number 18. Programming language of second generation computer was A. Machine or assembly language, B. High-level language. Which one is correct? Correct answer is A. Programming language of second generation computer was machine language or assembly language. Next question, MCQ 19. Third generation computer replaced transistors by IC, or third generation computer replaced huge vacuum tube of second generation computer with IC. Which one is correct answer? Correct answer is A. Third generation computer replaced transistors by IC. That's an integrated circuit. Next question 20. Programming language of third generation computer was assembly language or high-level language. Which one is correct? Correct answer is B. Programming language of third generation computer was high-level language. This is the end of this episode. We shall meet again with next questions number 21 to 30 on next episode, inshallah.